Hello traders. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So right now I am on the MQL5 Marketplace page for Galaxy EA developed by Marta Gonzalez, and this is version 1.0 with 5 activations available. The pricing is quite accessible compared to many other EAs, starting from 10 US dollars for a 1 month rental, 15 US dollars for 3 months, 20 US dollars for 6 months, and 25 US dollars for a full year, with a full purchase listed at 30 US dollars. Now, from the marketplace page, the marketplace description, Galaxy EA is presented as a fully automated trading system designed for Forex and indices. One important thing one important point is that it is described as a completely autonomous robot, meaning there are no manual inputs required from the trader once it is running. And as I scroll through the page, it also emphasizes that the system is always in the market in both directions, suggesting it continuously manages trading activity without needing user adjustments. Okay. The interface is also described as fully automatic, where the trader simply attaches it to the chart and lets it operate. Now, I can also see that the EA is positioned as beginner friendly, since there are no configuration inputs needed. That means it is designed for users who prefer a simple setup without adjusting complex parameters or strategies manually. Right now, another key point mentioned is that it aims for stable growth, um, using what is described as smart averaging techniques. Okay, along with a safety first approach in its development. Now, it also mentions that it has been stress tested across multiple pairs on historical data. Now, before moving further, the EA also highlights recommendations such as using low spread, um, fast execution ECN brokers, and a reliable VPS for smoother performance conditions. It also lists a very wide range of optimized currency pairs, including major and minor FX pairs, as well as XAU USD. Now, I'm just going to move into the backtesting section to see how this system behaves under historical market conditions. Okay, we're going to be testing the Galaxy MT5 on Euro USD on the H1 time frame, and we are running the test from the beginning of the year, 1st January 2026 till date, so we can get a reasonable data for the back testing. And then for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, and we are using the every tick modeling. All right, so looking at the chart, this is a review of historical backtest results. So I'm focusing on past performance behavior rather than live trading. All right. Now, it's important to understand that longer testing periods generally provide a more complete picture of how an EA behaves across different market environments. This test was done over roughly 5 months. But I will recommend that you can test further, maybe over a year or more, to get more comprehensive results. Okay. Now, from what I can observe in the historical data, the system appears to remain actively engaged in the market. You can see how several trades we are taking, right? It's as if there is almost always a trade running, right? You can see, let's start from here. um okay, now from this point, I think this should be where the backtest started from, if I'm not mistaken. So you will see that once the backtest started, a trade was executed, right? Okay, let's see, what date is this? Okay, this is, yeah, this is a strategy tester. So this was a trade executed, right? And then we can also see this, we are even 2 trades executed, and we can see that since then there have been, either positions we are running or new trades we have been executed and closed, and all of that. And then you would notice that back to back, back to back, back to back, there are almost always, if not always, a trade running in the market. Okay, you would see that this was actually a running trade. Okay, it's just that it went, down toward that point, right? Let's see. Okay, so you can see that trades, the EA is active, right? Always active, looking for opportunities in the market. Okay, so the EA is actively engaged, managing positions continuously as price moves in different directions. Now, since the EA is described as fully automatic, all decision making is handled internally without manual intervention. Now, as I go through the chart activity, the behavior suggests ongoing trade management across fluctuating market conditions, which aligns with the idea of continuous market participation in both directions. However, it is always important to keep in mind that this is all still historical backtesting performance. Okay, real world results can vary depending on risk settings, lot size, broker execution, spread, slippage, and overall market conditions. Now, let's just look at the results themselves. We are seeing just $85.18 net profit from an initial deposit of $100,000, and we can see that 69 total trades we are taking. Short trades we are 59 with a 69.49% win rate, and the long trades we are 10 with a 20% win rate. Okay, so the win rate is not good enough, right? This is very, very poor, and then this is just manageable. Yeah, it's quite okay though. But when you look at the average profit and average loss, okay, let's start from the largest profit, $46.14, largest loss, $43.54, average profit, $7.47, average loss, $9.07. So we have a bad risk to reward ratio, judging from the average profit and average loss. So when you take that, put it side by side with the risk to reward ratio we are seeing here, you will find out that it is really not good enough. Okay, and that is the reason why we had just a small total net profit, because for you to have this kind of win rate and then you have a bad risk to reward ratio where the average profit is actually less than the average loss, of course you will not be expecting to have a big total net profit, right? So at least there was total net profit in the positive, but it's just a little compared to the when placed side by side with the initial deposit. Okay, but my overall takeaway here is that Galaxy EA is positioned as a fully automated plug and play trading system designed for simplicity and constant market engagement across multiple instruments. But like any system, it is still important to test it properly over longer periods and optimize it before considering live deployment. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.